mo yun?
Ano kung umihilig?
Ang pinaka-mas is I'm here with one of the gorgeous and beautiful Eliza Valdez. Yan, Ravenna. Charot! Ano? First question ko ngayon. Gaano nga ba katotoo? Yan lang, yun ang tanong ko.
Gaano katotoo?
Thank you for it.
Hashtag relationship goal number 4, the phenomenal friendship. MVP si Guy, MVP rin si Girl. Eh di sila na. Wait, sila na nga ba?
Hi, Miss Sandra. Wala ka na naman sa action today. Bye! See you tomorrow! You remember our first ever championship when we were at match point? And then,
I went out of the court.
And then...
Because I served and then I missed the serve, so I went out. And I went up to her and I was like, Eliza, you got this.
Like, super like that. And then, because it's our last point na rin also for the championship. So, as in, solid.
Because I always had my besties back.
And that moment was so memorable for us. As in, super. Until now, sobrang vivid pa rin sa memory namin. Get a chance to win your dream Beshies Getaway.
Just share your beautiful Beshi story with us.
Right now. Good luck! Sa mga admins, si Miss Leia, Miss Sandra na laging late, kay Mamang na laging nagta-travel pa, going back here just to watch our game. Sino pa ba? Kay Miss Florence na iiwan din naman kami. Kay Ana, hindi ko man memorize po lahat ng names niyo, pero from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat po. And I know na there's no saying goodbyes naman. Just another hello from different arena lang siguro, from different, like, siguro hindi lang blue and white ng suot ko. But, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa amin all the way. And, walang kapantay yung pagmamahal. So, maraming